Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kesherwani. Today I will start symbols of the element. How the symbols of element was introduced in your chemistry syllabus, right? Basically in the previous era, in the previous section, the elements symbols is firstly given by a scientist. The name of that scientist was Dalton. And you know, in the previous lecture we discussed the Dalton's atomic theory. Similarly, Dalton's was the first scientist who gave the symbols of element, right? And he was utilized some symbols like that. When draw a circle and point it, then this symbolized as hydrogen, right? If a circle is totally black, then it represents carbon, and if circle and this is triangle and this represent the phosphorus, if a circle represented by a plus symbol, this indicates the sulfur, right? If this circle and this is very solid point and in which G is written, this symbolizes for gold. If circle and written as P, then it symbolizes as platinum or platinum. If hollow circle represented by with solid dot structure, this indicates for mercury. So these are the symbols which indicates the elements. But this type of symbol cannot be utilized, cannot be used. Why? Because maybe this is not in our mind, then this symbol has been displayed from the mind. That's why this symbol is not used. And then after nowadays, in modern days, a scientist whose name was J.J. Berzelius was introduced symbols of element, and the symbols of element was written by some rule which is also recommended by IUPAC. Listen carefully. This symbol was given by Dalton, but this has been discarded. But Berzelius gave the new symbols for the element, which are recommended by the IUPAC. What is the IUPAC? Firstly, you should know what is IUPAC. IUPAC indicates I indicate international. Union of pure applied chemistry. Actually, this is a big institution of chemistry in which all the rules, all the methods are given by a group of scientists which is in IUPAC. Similarly, J.J. Berzelius given his rule to IUPAC for the symbols of element. Now, what is the rules given by the Berzelius? J.J. Berzelius gives the symbol of element. First rule. First rule says that the first letter of the element name was used as a symbol. The first letter of element name used as symbol. And write in capital letter. Example, like as hydrogen. As you know, in case of hydrogen, the first letter is H. So what is the symbol of hydrogen? So your answer should be H and capital H, not it is small. Because J.J. Berzelius ने कहा कि हमें जब भी एलिमेंट्स का सिंबल लिखना होगा, firstly we use the capital letter, right? Now the second, like as carbon, first letter is C. Nitrogen, first letter is N. Oxygen, first letter is O. Right? So this is the first letter by which we can write the symbol of an element. This is basic rules for write the symbols of the element. Now the second rule. Rule 2. Rule 2. Use first letter and second letter. First letter written in capital and second letter is written in small. Like a helium. Helium. So what is the symbol of helium? First letter as well as second letter. So symbol of helium is He. What is the symbol of neon? N and E. Clear? Now, what is the symbol of cobalt? NO. Clear? Now what is the symbol of magnesium? Here we use M and G. So the symbol of magnesium is Mg. Similarly, these are written first letter as well as second letter. So this is the second rule for written the symbol of the element. Now the third and very important rule. Symbol of element is written from some other language. Actually, this language is not in continuous, and the language is Greek language, maybe Latin language, maybe German language, etc. I take one more example for these languages. Like as in case of sodium, actually सोडियम को ग्रीक वर्ड में कहा जाता है नेटियम. That is Greek word. So from the Greek word the symbol is Na, right? Now in case of Latin word, that is chlorine. क्लोरीन को कहा जाता है क्लोरस. And this is Latin word. So the symbol of chlorine is Cl. Now in case of cobalt, cobalt is come from the cobalt, that is German language. So the symbol of co, actually the pronunciation as co is Co. That's why the symbol of cobalt is Co. So these are the basic 3 rules for written the symbols of the element. Right? Now I make a table for the symbols of element having atomic number from 1 to 30. Let's see. Atomic number, element name and its symbol. Atomic number 1, that is hydrogen. What is the symbol of hydrogen? H. Atomic number 2, that is helium. What is He? Atomic number 3, that is lithium. So what is symbol? Li. 4, that is beryllium. What is symbol? Be. 5, that is boron. Symbol B. 6, that is carbon. C 7 nitrogen, N 8 oxygen, O 9 fluorine, that is F, 10 that is neon, Ne, 11 that is sodium, that is Na, 12 that is magnesium, that is Mg, 13 aluminium, that is Al, 14 silicon, that is Si, 15 that is phosphorus, symbol is P. So these are the atomic number, element name and symbol, right? Now then 16 sulfur, that is S, 17 that is chlorine, Cl, 18 argon, that is Ar, 19 potassium, potassium is actually Kalium in Greek word, that's why the symbol is K. 20 that is calcium, Ca. 21 scandium, that is Sc. 22 titanium, that is Ti. 23 vanadium, that is V. 24 chromium, that is Cr. (25) manganese, that is Mn. 26 iron, iron is actually from ferrum, so the symbol is Fe. 7 cobalt, that is Co. 28 nickel, that is Ni. 29 that is copper, symbol Cu, and last one is the zinc, that is Zn. So these are the symbols of the element. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.